Welcome to our journey through the wonders of Amla, the Indian gooseberry, a sacred fruit in Ayurveda. Revered for centuries, this green gem is a powerhouse of nutrients, truly a gift from nature and a timeless elixir for health and vitality. Ancient wisdom rediscovered, Amla offers a holistic approach to well-being, extending its benefits beyond the physical to nourish the mind and spirit. The magic of Amla lies in its ability to restore balance and harmony, reminding us that nature holds the key to optimal health. By integrating Amla into our lives, we take a step towards embracing a holistic lifestyle. Let's delve deeper into the wonders of this ancient superfood and unlock its secrets together. Now, let's explore why Amla is considered a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to vitamin C and beyond. Amla is an exceptional source of vitamin C, boasting a higher concentration than even oranges or lemons. This potent antioxidant not only strengthens immunity, but also protects against cell damage. Amla is also rich in other antioxidants, like polyphenols and flavonoids, which combat free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. In addition to these powerful antioxidants, Amla contains essential minerals like iron and calcium, supporting bone health and preventing anemia. It's also a good source of fiber, promoting digestive health, and its low-calorie content makes it an ideal addition to any diet. Truly, this nutritional powerhouse nourishes the body from within. In our final section, let's discuss the holistic health benefits of Amla, focusing on immunity, skin, and hair. Amla is a natural immunity booster, with its high vitamin C content strengthening the body's defense system. The antioxidants in Amla protect against infections and promote faster healing, helping to prevent colds and flu. Amla is also renowned for its benefits for skin and hair. It improves skin elasticity and reduces wrinkles, while its vitamin C promotes collagen production, keeping skin youthful. Amla helps with acne and blemishes, giving a natural glow. For hair, it strengthens follicles, preventing hair fall and promoting growth, while adding shine and luster, making it healthy and vibrant. Section 4. Amla in Action: Real-Life Transformation. People have experienced remarkable health benefits from Amla. Many report improved digestion and reduced acidity. Some have noticed a significant boost in their energy levels. Amla has helped individuals manage their weight and improve metabolism. Individuals have shared stories of improved skin and hair health. They have seen a reduction in wrinkles and blemishes. Others have experienced thicker and stronger hair. Amla has truly transformed lives, proving its efficacy. Section 5. Embracing Amla for a vibrant life. There are many ways to incorporate Amla into your daily routine. You can eat fresh Amla berries. They have a tangy and slightly bitter taste. You can drink Amla juice, which is readily available. Amla is also available in powder form, which can be added to smoothies or yogurt. Amla candies are a delicious way to enjoy its benefits. Amla supplements are also available for those who prefer a concentrated form. Choose a method that suits your taste and lifestyle. Embrace Amla and experience its transformative power for a vibrant and healthy life.